In an industrial yard, a heavy machine was being lifted by a crane. Two workers were standing directly beneath the suspended load, an extremely dangerous mistake. Suddenly, the lifting wires failed and the machine dropped without warning. By pure luck, the workers escaped serious injury by only a few inches. This incident highlights a critical safety rule: never stand under a suspended load. Always establish a clear exclusion zone, inspect lifting equipment before use, and strictly follow load limits. Crane failures happen instantly, and only proper safety practices can prevent fatal accidents. In another incident, a worker was welding on top of a large machine similar to a transformer. Without warning, an internal fault caused the machine to explode, forcing the top section open violently. Welding on heavy equipment can expose workers to electrical and pressure-related hazards if systems are not properly isolated. Machinery must always be fully de-energized, stored pressure released, and equipment thoroughly inspected before starting maintenance work. Proper preparation can prevent deadly explosions. In a road accident, a rider traveling at high speed crashed into the rear of a parked truck. Excessive speed and lack of attention turned a stationary object into a life-threatening hazard. Riders must always maintain safe speeds, keep adequate distance, and stay alert to changing road conditions. Simple precautions can save lives and prevent serious injuries. At a construction site, several workers were standing near a large wall, unaware that its foundation had already been weakened. Nearby excavators continued digging, creating vibrations that further destabilized the structure. Without warning, the wall suddenly collapsed. Two workers managed to escape at the last moment, but one was trapped beneath the heavy debris. This tragic incident highlights a serious safety failure. When working near unstable structures, daily hazard assessments are essential. Heavy machinery should never operate close to damaged walls unless proper bracing or controlled demolition is in place. Better planning, communication, and safety barriers could have prevented this loss. In another incident, workers were unloading heavy machinery from a truck using a ramp. Suddenly, the ramp shifted and slid downward, violently shaking the truck. The machinery tilted dangerously, but the workers reacted quickly and jumped back, narrowly avoiding disaster. This close call is a reminder to always secure loading ramps and check ground stability before unloading. One small oversight can lead to a major accident. At a different site, a crane was lifting a heavy load when something went wrong. As the crane moved, the load slipped and fell, crashing onto a machine below. The impact was severe, but fortunately the worker nearby escaped just in time. This incident emphasizes the importance of double-checking load security and staying alert around crane operations. Inside a busy factory, a heavy load was suspended high above the floor while workers continued their tasks below. As the crane moved, the load struck another large machine, knocking it over and sending it crashing to the ground. Chaos followed, but the workers noticed the danger and escaped moments before impact. This incident reinforces a critical safety rule: never work beneath a suspended load and always maintain safe clearance when operating cranes in confined spaces.